using the gripping primer, mostly focusing this at the nose area, under the eyes, and around my mouth area. So I'm using the East Drop Skin Tint. This is shade 17. Let's see how the shade 17 will go with my skin. I like to use my hand to spread it around. I'm just using this to, your hand kind of get the job done way faster than sponge or product. There's a huge hint. Let's do this and that. My nose area like that. Much on the eyelid, but the edges of the hairline, I like to use whatever that I have left in my hand. I take a sponge and I go in stamping motion, take away any excess products. And yeah, don't forget the ear and the hairline like that. And yeah, this is okay. I'm gonna use the contour stick. This is in shade espresso. A little here, and a little here. Like this. This is a bit too much for the nose contouring. So I'm gonna blend it to the upper part of the eyelid and take it down, like that. It's a bit too much, but if you go in stamping motion gradually, you can make it work. Take a brush and blend the jawline contour, drag it down like that. Now we go in stamping motion here. I'm going to use the Fenty concealer. This is in shade 390. Little concealer here, here, and the bridge of the nose. And then I'm taking the sponge and go all over it one more time, you know, just to get any harsh line to look a bit more cohesive. I'm gonna set with easy bake powder. Take enough with a powder puff. Okay, so this side is nicely set, and this side is not. Oh, this is pretty good. Pro filter press powder for touch up. I'm using this at the contour area. Mm. All right, let's quickly do the eyebrows and move on to the next. I'm going to use the Essence 24 Hours Eyebrow Pencil. I'm starting from the middle. Okay, at the end of my brows, the hairs there is a bit scanty. So I focus in faking some hair strokes here and lift it up a bit because this side is a bit droopy and this side is way lifted. So I'm going to focus at the end. Just a little bit like that. I think the color is a bit reddish brown. I'm looking for dark chocolate brown. Right, this is the eyeliner, and this is way more dark chocolate brown compared to the eye pencil, the eyebrow pencil. This is way darker than this, but this is actually for eyebrow, and this is for my waterline. So most of the time I like using this because it's like dark chocolate brown, but let's stick to this one. I'm gonna use clear brow gel from Essence. This is Natasha Denono Walk and Set Cream Gel Liner to blend this in stamping motion all over the eyelid. And we do the same thing under the eyes. Okay, so this is getting out of hand a bit. I intend to use a little, but here we are. So let's make it work, okay? I really don't like putting stuff on my waterline because my eyes easily waters a lot. The Natasha Denano Mini Nude palette. I'm gonna take this shade first and blend the edges. Soften the edges a bit. And take the darker shade and go back and forth at the high point of the crease area. I can do the eye look without the cream product, but I want it to last all day, and that's why I'm doing it like this. I'm going to take this shade and dab it at the center of the lid. Not really dragging it all over the lid, but mainly focusing this at the center of the lid. And blend the edges a little. I'm going to use this jumbo eyeliner and do a quick tiny eyeliner here and bracket it back inside. And yeah, just like that. Okay, I'm going to take this shade and place it at the inner part. I think this is a bit too light. Let's use this one. Okay, yeah, I think so. Like that. And back with this one again over it. So let's take the matte shade and go back and forth at the edges. In the darker shade and blend it back and forth at the edges like that. Okay. Okay, let's quickly do bronzer. Okay, this is the closest blush I have. Is OG but goodies. With this, let's do setting spray before mascara. Now let's do mascara. I'll coat the mascara only at the tips of the lashes. I don't really have a lot of lashes to begin with, but I don't want to use false lashes. So yeah, let's just go with what we have, right? Yeah, I think I'm going to leave it alone like this. For the lips, I'll go for this Huda Beauty mini lip bundles. So this is called Billionaire. Okay, I'll use this at the border of the lips. I feel very uncomfortable when I'm using a brush on my lips. I'm going to use a lighter shade. This is called Venus. Just place this at the center and then blot. This is actually eyeliner, but let's use this to define. I'm going to use this gloss at the center. Turn to the inner corner. Okay. I was expecting that hairline. Let's try to blend it today. And yeah, this is pretty much it. And yeah, this is pretty much it. Drop a comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on my next one. Thanks for watching. See you after. Bye.